Hey, Patty?
Geoff, I have some bad news.
Okay. What do you mean you don't have it? I mean, it exists. It was with you guys. What happened?
He had an accident and he's not in any condition to perform today.
Don't you have any options to present me? I know you guys have more than 3 cats.
It's too late, Geoff. Screenings need to be performed and forms signed. The contract stipulated this. In the event of a cat's illness...
No, you're right. Can you still bring the other 2 cats? Up?
What?
Can we move the cat up, please? Action. Okay, let's replace the cake and get one more shot with Gamma. Who's snapping pictures?
Jane, photographer.
Jane, the photographer. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? How'd you get this gig?
Josh asked me if I wanted set experience.
Right. Good. Super glad that you're here. Would you actually mind switching that over to a silent shutter?
Oh, these are MOS, it's fine.
Geoff, I've worked with untrained animals before, but I don't think this case qualifies under our guidelines. Okay, there's human food here as part of the shoot.
No, can we talk about this later?
I mean...
No, we won't do any more shots with Gamma, all right? Just... What's going on?
Oh, I wouldn't do
No,
that.
just give me a moment.
What's the issue?
Ow! Fucking...
Oh, God. Okay, people, settle down. Let's take a break.
And why did you hang up?
Well, I knew I'd be seeing you soon.
It sounds like these installations cause you a lot of stress.
They do. But it's worse when I'm not making anything. I get depressed. But when I can share my work with strangers in a gallery somewhere, I'm euphoric.
What's going on here?
I'm cooking.
I'm talking about the cat.
I'm cat sitting for Sheila while she's away.
Couldn't you just swing by her place twice a day and feed them?
I wanted to have them around. They're sweet.
Cats are really tense coils of hate, you know that.
That's horrible.
They just want your food.
Cats are tender bundles of love.
Very tender, very raw flesh because they irrationally fear water. When they run around, their bodies cook internally.
That's not true.
They don't sweat and they won't bathe, so they overheat, and that's why they die so young.
They aren't meant to bathe. They cleanse themselves.
It'd be like if you licked yourself after a workout. You'd be very clean.
You feeling any better now, cutesy boots?
What, did you cough up a hairball?
He coughed up something. Anyway, I dealt with it, and I'm gonna try to keep it from happening again. I wouldn't want the house to be full of hairballs when Geoff gets in tomorrow.
Jeff's coming over?
Yeah, he didn't call you?
No.
Apparently, he has the opportunity to shoot something for an art installation out here, and he's staying a week.
When did he tell you this?
A few weeks ago. Is it a problem?
He's my son. I just don't know why he doesn't call.
He called me.
Hey, Jeff Katz here to see Tina.
So how's the production going?
We shoot tomorrow.
Ode to Cats, huh? Someday I'm going to have to pick your brain about the ideas you come up with. This is what we have in mind for your piece. Have a seat. Put the headphones on. Do you think this format will be a good fit for your piece?
It's perfect.
You can rip back clouds. I should be able to rip back clouds too.
No, you're just tripping, bro. Like I don't even think that you could tell me how to do that. Shut the fuck up. The only reason you get it, brother, you're gonna walk in the store and actually get one for yourself.
There's no way you can pull it off.
Yeah.
Oh really?
No way.
Oh really?
You don't think I should get those pods with the
Well, wait.
You guys are ridiculous.
Hey, it's Jane. What are you doing out here?
Nothing.
Nothing. What's that?
Just taking pictures.
Heard you like Tommy. Is that true?
No, that's not. What are you talking about?
That's what people are saying.
Well, I'll have you know that I have a boyfriend.
What?
Stop. Ew.
You don't know him?
You're full of shit, Jane.
I'll show you. This is my boyfriend.
Give me that.
Give me back my phone.
This isn't Bobby. It's a photo of JD Mason.
Give that back. It's mine.
He's lying to you.
Give me back my phone.
Yeah, take it, whore.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Dad.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. Didn't know you guys got a cat.
Oh, we didn't. Your mother's cat sitting for Sheila.
It's funny.
What's so funny about it? The constant cat vomit?
I'm sorry I didn't realize it was such a hassle for you.
It's fine. They'll be gone by the end of the week.
You know, cats are pretty low maintenance pets. She could probably just stop by Sheila's to feed them.
Yeah? How'd you get to be such a cat expert all of a sudden?
Been doing research for an art installation.
About cats?
Yeah.
Is that like a taxidermy type thing?
No, Dad.
Hey, I don't know. You're the artist. Jeff, why don't you call me anymore? I do want to hear about this stuff, and not just from your mother the day before you show up here. I care. I'm not pretending. Just text me, Jeff. Just text me every now and again, will you?
Sure, I'll text you.
Great. I'll reply.
So I pick you up at 5?
Yeah, they said that we should be done around 5.
You said it ends at 5. I expect you to be ready for me at 5 when I get here, okay?
Hey,
Jane, I didn't have to drive
I
you.
said okay.
I don't know why your father bought you that camera.
We won't do any more shots with Gamma, all right? Just...
What's the issue? Oh. Okay, people, settle down. Let's take a break.
Mr. Katz, is everything okay?
Please just call me Jeff.
Jeff. All right. Thank you for letting me be here. It's a real privilege.
Well, we're lucky to have you. An on-set photographer is expensive in the real world.
Don't worry, I deleted the photos of the cat vomit on your shirt.
Hey, do you want to be in a picture with me for my dad?
Sure.
You know, I don't know why I get so torn up about this. I know that we have all the coverage that we need, and I just wanted something to go smoothly for once. And I don't even know if it means anything. Like cats falling on cakes? Like, what could possibly be the point of that?
Maybe it's escapism. Leaving this world somehow. Do you ever think about that?
Yeah.
Geoff, do you know anything about boys?
I dabbled in being one not too long ago. Why?
Well, there's this boy that I like in my science class, and all day I'm waiting for that period because I get all warm and soft on the inside when I see him. But he doesn't see me.
If he doesn't see you, he doesn't deserve you.
High school's all fakers.
Yeah. But so's the rest of the world. Do you know what we're doing here? 'Cause I don't. I think sometimes you just gotta fake it. Lie. Whatever. We all find our way back in the end.
Yeah.
Hey, Jeff speaking.
Jeff, hi, it's Tina.
Oh, hey, Tina. It's so good to hear from you. I think you'll be pleased to know that the video is coming along very well.
Jeff, I got word of the improper treatment of animals on your set. Did you really think that was going to fly?
Improper? No, Tina, I think there's been a misunderstanding.
But is it not true? You made a cat sick by feeding it cake icing?
No, Tina, hold on.
Okay.
It's really not what it sounds like. Who told you? Because it wasn't that. The cats were all set, and one of them was untrained and happened to get a little stomachache.
Look, Jeff, we can't take the piece anymore. I hope you can understand. Goodbye, Jeff.